Today we're looking at a 2021 Nissan Rogue. 2.5 4-cylinder. We've got gray exterior, black leather interior. It's got 71,421 miles. Nissan Connect system. Leather-wrapped steering wheel. Got your continuous variable transmission. Got your electronic parking brake. Dual zone automatic climate control. Front and rear defrost. Fan speed. Your radio. There's always gonna be a high you could chase for the rest of your life. Greener grass in the yard next door, or a shined up Chevy little newer than yours. You're never gonna get those let you blow my mind. Of course I radio controls on the back of the steering wheel with hands-free telephone with voice commands at cruise control.
3 new pellet slips are also uploaded to our
all the time.
Your cup holders. Had a center console. Your road and snow off-road control. Your power outlet with 2 USB ports. Heated seats for the driver and passenger. Your heated steering wheel.
lines at the top.
Left and right mirror controls with power door locks, power mirrors. Sunglass holder. SOS emergency brake system. Get your sunroof.
Peaceful.
We're going to shut her off. We'll check out the back seat. Also for your back seat, we got 2 rear AC vents. You got your rear USB ports and your rear cup holders. Rear storage pockets under the front. Your rear
Storage pockets in the back of the headrest.